Masicka, Boasty versus Alkaline, Gyal good.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
Boasty.
I love Boasty, I not lie. The song, I think, one of the best songs I say since the start of the year. And in terms of song plus music video, the music video tough. This don't Gyal Good don't have a video as yet, so I can't compare videos.
Hey y'all, come look at this.
Gyal Good have over 120,000 posts using that audio.
So you know you can.
You know that gone, people. Like I said, numbers don't lie, people do.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
People real votes like what we said.
Let's see Boasty now, no?
Let's see Boasty, people.
How much people use this have what, 120,000 posts?
Damn, bro.
That's a lot.
I remember you know, and every song I'll get reposted enough. When I say it's supposed to work, you did. Right, so the Boasty, 22,000.
No.
People, remember.
I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, how we the latest news them lock.
One Media Fox on the app, you know. Yeah, man. So we say, J.A. ready to run out. You don't know him and him wife. You see me? But what me have to say still, me have to big them up. Me tell you why. Yo, them are different crooks. You see me? Cause you don't know, they look at other baby crooks them not going with none. You see me? Me have to big up J.A. ready. He might keep the crooks them motivated. You see me? Yeah. But we are going to a video and see what I go on. You see me?
Masicka, Boasty versus Alkaline, Gyal Good.
Yeah.
You get what I say? That's the debate right now. We're going to solve it today. We're going to talk about it. But before, the song for summer right now. A summer for we know. A spring of Canada is just start warm up. A summer right now officially still.
Summer loading.
Which song? In your opinion? What you feel? Honest opinion. Nobody watch the crowd or...
I'm no business about no crowd.
Yeah.
When I can't say the SYM, them I don't know want. But honestly, I like both songs. They're two different songs.
You like Alkaline song?
The Gyal Good did have a buzz. I prefer this more than the one he did the video for.
The Wet World?
Yeah.
Yeah. If Alkaline, they really... But there's no way to tell still, you know. As I said, he make the album 16, 15 tracks, right? He put out the album. And there's no way to tell which one will connect as some music go.
Yeah, but I think because this after the ladies, them, the Wet World, I don't know, that one that did just a little bit too
A shock value song that. A shock value that.
But yeah, that song, it have a vibe to it. It have a little bones. You know, it one of them songs where I go, it's an earworm. You know, it's going to stay in your head for a little while. But Boasty, Boasty fit me, you know what I mean?
Boasty. Yeah, Boasty.
I love Boasty, I not lie. The song, I think one of the best songs I say since the start of the year. And in terms of song plus music video, the music video tough.
People, you see what I talk about? Music video. People, you say if Masicka did drop that song without a video, trust me, you'd get a different reaction. May I tell you. When last Masicka drop audio, like for a single, I think him do that for him. I think him do some for him last EP. This video thing, when last we talk about this video, back in the days, no music we usually listen. A music we usually listen when since video. I don't understand this. I did think say the music we are listening our ears. We never know say a video now. It gone now. So one time if him just start drop song, just drop a song with audio. What would I am? You see it? But we can listen what them say.
This don't Gyal Good don't have a video as yet, so I can't compare videos. But in terms of songs,
I'm glad I mentioned that because in my opinion, you know, if you notice, when I said Boasty job, and that was an instant hit. You understand what I said? That was an instant hit. From the music video, the music video help a lot still, man, I like.
It did.
All the little thing that Masicka go on with. And
right? Masicka went since I start dance.
It definitely helped.
Yo, you know so I feel like I act. J.A. radio, I feel like I act in a dog. Like, something on the top, brother, it's just, I be a madness, brother. The man, they must say music video. Bro, wait, a movie you now watch, or you now watch, listen to the song. I don't understand this. I don't know talk about video. You come like say if Masicka you drop the song without a video. You know, wouldn't talk so. That's all you know talk about, you know, video. Because through Alkaline drop a video for the song, but we see the impact of Alkaline song. Bro, Masicka song is just a hot song, brother. Everything when Masicka drop, when say a hit. And then when him go out there in the world and sing the same song, the people might wonder where I sing which song this. Because, brother, we don't know what I do to Masicka career now. Last year, you know, say him drop about 20 hits, brother. And, bro, we not seeing that impact. The songs I'm gonna call it's not impactful outside of Jamaica or out of the Caribbean. We're not seeing it. You understand? So, one, me understand. So, I not try to prep up Masicka and thing, but, brother, we not trick him career. You understand? That's all I have to say, brother.
It does. It have a vibe.
Everything about it. It's like a perfect song, right? I mean, a lot of people gonna say, yo, love compare songs on rate. And then if you understand, say a dancehall. And the comparison thing is what actually emphasizes and make the song just feel greater. It's all about the conversations around the song and everything, the culture that make dancehall different from every other genre.
It's a competitive sport.
Yeah.
That's why we have clashes and
People, you know me realize only the crooks them, only the people them who rate Masicka. Masicka are only dancehall artists when me hear every song when him drop, as the song drop are hits. At that me realize, but we're not seeing it. We're not seeing the impact because we see him go out there and perform the same song when they say hits and we don't see the reaction.
all those things.
Exactly. I know what a rare moment it is to have two big songs at the same time. Because normally just one and then get one long break and then one next one. Like we say Fiesta from Armani, what yeah?
Right. And then you did a long time from Valiant. Yeah. So I not lie, I love the fact that the song them a creep up. But we need a few more. Like right now, outside of Gyal Good and Boasty, I don't really listen to that song and run a place.
I'm not care about that song right now.
I mean,
people, and this we are focused on right now because I see something very interesting. Alkaline, Vendetta people, Alkaline fine. So you can't go around it. You get what I said? Him search for the album, him find one. Gyal Good, connect. It wasn't the wet hole like one of the previously thought because when they try to go controversy instead of substance. But
brother, nobody now go controversy, brother. Uno run with this age thing and all of them look at things. That's not Uno pick it up because you don't understand certain things. That's no controversy, bro. People take it up because of hate. You see me? Uno turn it in a controversy. It's just music where Alkaline does drop film fans them. You understand? And people still play the song. You see me? Gyal Good, you don't know say every woman want to look good. So it eventually the girls them are gonna run with it and remember say woman have more population in the world. So imagine the whole of them take up that and some me see some man play it too. You understand and rate it and all of them look at thing there. So that's how you think go, bro. You see it?
Ladies seems to the ladies them love this right now on TikTok.
It's
alright? And people that say alright, most of the bigger song, but we have a factor like we said earlier. Gyal Good don't have a music video.
Exactly, and it's still up there with Boasty, so
yo, man, I tell you, everybody say both Gyal Good don't have a video. Bro, we listen to music. We listen to music and vision it, brother. But then this music video thing, brother, it's just a video. But at the music where you listen. When you listen to your music through your radio, you're not seeing a video, brother. If you listen on your phone or through an MP3 or something, or you say you listen it through Spotify and them thing there, you're not seeing a video, brother. You understand? You're not pre no video. I listen to music. So wait. So when you're in a party and song a play and DJ a play, so you not see no video? Me not understand. So when keep on bring up this video thing, bro. It show me say a video you really a meds, you know. You not really meds this song, and if Masicka did drop this song without a video, brother, trust me, it would be a different conversation.
That tell me say no, the people them come to them and I say, yo, you come like a dog album tush. Come and look on the YouTube, bro. I see the views them. But out of nowhere, when I look, I say 900,000 on a Gyal Good. I say, wait. I want to catch a fire because the wet whole music with a drop, people them go around it. You see me, the other drop, people them go around it. But the one of them search. I don't know if Rebel or also have a response feed over TikTok. But right now.
No, the song tough. And I think I see somebody else from, I think St. Vincent or one of them island there, I react to this too. Honestly, I feel like I should just drop this with a video and just not drop the album, none at all.
So, alright, so people.
Yo, people, they say a while ago she look where. She said, man should have dropped this and not drop, nobody drop no album. Boy, I tell you, say, hate is real, you know. But me know say them a act, people. I act them a act. You understand? But you don't know, we still gonna beat them same way.
Talk about a feature, right? If you go up on an artist page, yo, luckily, Alkaline block me over TikTok. Alkaline block me on every single platform, people. So
you remember for black way?
You remember, because TikTok brand new. Maybe after the video.
Yeah, probably black way over yourself.
You see me? But for the time.
Allegedly, you're not sure if Alkaline block you. You don't know who control the page. You understand? Yeah.
Bean, you get to me and say, if you go for man himself and look, it have a feature in the bullshit when you go into the music section for the artist, and you scroll and you look through. Because you can actually use the sound for each artist, right? We're going to show it up on the screen and make sure so what I'm going. Gyal Good have over 120,000 posts using that audio.
So you know you can.
You know that gone, people. Like I said, numbers don't lie. People do 120,000.
People use
And
it.
if you're not hot over TikTok, believe people. Every industry right now, every record label, everybody want hot over TikTok. It is the main source right now. It is the hub where all of the young people in there. So if you hear say 120,000 people actually use it, you know, say, yo, that is organic. That is real people actually love it.
Yeah.
Real people, real vote, like I was saying.
Let's say Boasty now.
So look at now, people. 120,000 posts. Gyal good enough. This is no video, right? But I'm gonna tell you about Masicka Boasty now. How much are the numbers? How people react?
Let's see Boasty people.
How much people use this? Have what, 120,000 posts.
Damn, bro.
That's a lot.
I remember now, every song will get reposted enough. When I say it's supposed to work, you dig? So I'm gonna say, I don't know. All right, so the Boasty, 22,000.
Yo, dog. Yo, you can't act. Yo, you can't act for get your body. You know. Yo, people, let's say my wife a laugh. Yo, dog. Look, people, look on the gap. Him say 120,000 for Alkaline. By your people are react to the song, right? And Masicka 22,000 people. You know how far? That's basically, you can say that's 98. Yeah, 98,000 difference gap for the good girl song. So you know, say it show you say girl good song way bigger than the Boasty song. You understand? And we are talking about worldwide because TikTok is worldwide. You understand? So when me hear them attack, bro, remember this is not video. It's not video, bro. You see, people remember say back in the days when music had gone, you know. Nobody never that use views. When you go in a party and hear every party is a song you play and you hear it on the radio and all of them things, nobody not pre-video. You understand? So if you see a song get 120k play, like people react to it, and then you see 22,000, that's 98,000 gap, you know, brother. And you feel like say that the song there bigger than the girl good song, brother. That's a far gap. It's not even close. That's a far gap, bro. So it show you say, brother, that song ya a move bigger than this, brother. The only reason why people remember say a controversy thing with the Boasty thing. Remember say how much artists are come out and say Masicka take them song and take them Boasty song and Tamili found out say Tamili say Masicka do dance and take him flow and all of them little thing there and people go watch the video. You understand? Some of the time when I use views some of the time, but sometimes it work, but sometimes it not work. Because look at now. Alkaline drop Gyal good. See? Masicka song drop before it. Masicka song must gone maybe soon close to 2 mil. Alkaline gone over 1 mil right now. You understand? But look upon it, the reaction of the song. We see say Gyal good and mash up party. You see it? So we're not gonna see what going still.
Oh, remember what I say right now. This does not change the fact or take away from one
No,
from
it
the
is
other.
still a hit song.
One of them can be used for skits and a lot of things. You get what I say? And one of them can just be say, yo, this song was hot and it's a vibe song.
We know
And
the ladies definitely are going to use the Gyal good. Because all of them know good, they love them.
Everybody say
you know
them
what I mean? So we know that definitely
That's
are
true.
trend.
You might tell all you get.
Bro, we're not biased, brother. We're not biased because if I the Boasty have 120k and Alkaline have 22k, who would not say different thing, brother? Who would not talk about don't watch this and that and girl. Bro, just admit the fact, brother. The song bigger, brother. You understand? Sometimes people not for call note for them look simple thing, brother. You understand? Only just run with Masicka thing, hype thing, because of the Alkaline album wave. We no forward with this 1 kill 16 and all. That don't make any sense, brother. Because when a girl good alone I play upon the album, you have Graduate, you have Masterpiece. We not talk about and more to the song. So and when you have different story. So when you feel like girl good, I just show the females them and react to it and every little thing, brother. But you have the other song them for the gangster where I get play, brother. You understand? So you can just go and sit down and go and talk, is it? Can you just skip in?
So basically everybody say them good.
Yeah, who will I church out them out so them good.
Let me tell you. So 22,000. But you still have a factor in them type of metrics there. You get what I say?
Yeah, that's what I was saying in the beginning. It's two different songs, two different type of songs. You have girl song them always have different type of attraction.
Yeah.
Boasty is more of a lifestyle, a statement, a status thing, right?
Yeah.
So may I say I don't think the comparison is fair because Gyal good don't even have a music video yet.
OJ, may I tell you how dancehall work?
What you mean? People, you don't realize you be a music video. When since in a dancehall people compare music video, this now make no sense. This now make no sense. One answer right now. The song bad, the song bigger, that's it. It now have nothing to do with music video because people listening the song in a party, them now pre in a music video, them now look on the music. So when since Alkaline, Gyal good music video for forward now. Bro, come on brother. People know if you call out with them something. You understand? Call a spade, dog. The girl good song bigger, brother. Just say it. Me know say you not vent for the crooks and every little thing. Fine. You no go and do nothing cause them need the help. You understand? But the bugger capping and the acting, it not work.
I know.
You see what
I
that's
know.
how work,
People
right?
are comparing them.
It's not even people,
But
it's camps. Vendetta over
Yeah,
your so.
yeah.
Them want to say, yo, we are lucky summer right now. One side over your so, them want to say, yo, we are lucky. You see me? So it's not even
But
about...
both songs are locking the summer. I feel like both songs are going to run for the summer because it's two different things for the party them.
I agree now.
The girl them are go
I agree now.
out, a dance, and then the man them now, I think, both man and woman are going to resonate with the Boasty because it's a lifestyle.
Alright, free this now. If we go over Spotify, because Spotify, you have to know, it's the next platform where we get some good metrics. YouTube is done. We're going to factor in YouTube views as well, because music video, artists, they have been relying on music video for a very long time now.
Yeah.
We know that.
I mean, both songs getting views there anyway.
So, alright, over Spotify, Gyal go there 250,000, 250. To be correct, 253K.
253,000
Alright?
streams.
And then now the Boasty, 241.
Yeah.
So you see it now. So it's more pan TikTok with the girl good and it's more pan Spotify. So how now go say the Boasty, bro? Jaja. But let's see how the summer go.
And
So
then,
Gyal Good is performing better on
and you have to factor
Spotify.
in the fact that, yo, Gyal would actually compete with 14 other songs from Alkaline because the album dropped. I don't know, say, yo, you have to factor in, say, yo, the different story, the Gladiate, the Vada, what other songs to compete with. So if you get 250K,
Yeah.
that is actually something pretty impressive. And then now, YouTube now, 1.8 million for the Boasty.
Yeah, in 11 days. It's a good look.
It's a good look.
It's a good look.
It's a
And that's because of the video. That is because of the video. Make it reach. You understand?
good look. Definitely. Over YouTube for Alkaline now, 1.2.
Yes, but
Without a
in
video.
2 weeks. But okay. So you also have to
So you see it now, people. So 1.8 him say with video, because of the video them I watch and Alkaline 1.2 with just audio alone. It tell you, brother. It tell you, do the maths. It had do more on Spotify, it had do more on TikTok, but only thing why the something there, it drop with the Boasty plus it have the video, bro. If that did drop with audio, brother, trust me, we know that's what go on.
when they were dropped. So this is
11 days ago, not that far. Both
like 1 day off.
You get what I say? 11 days ago, to be exact. So this dropped March 26th, right? Alkaline one drop March 23rd. You dig what I
so
say?
3 days apart. So I think both songs are performing extremely well.
Alkaline, congrats, bro.
Yeah,
I'm
because
glad
you
him
have a
find
video.
one. We got him find one off of the album still.
Yeah.
You get what I say?
She keep on and say you not have a video. Video. Yo, dog, man, tell her. Yo, it coming like, yo, this is gonna be some video thing now, you know, people. It's like people that wanna not listen to music again. I did think say the song, but I just be a video I bring up.
Because it's one of the most debated album.
I think honestly, him should have just find some good singles like this one and drop it. Like, I don't feel like him should have dropped the whole album. I feel like him should have just focus on them little single, yeah. And
You know what the album good enough? Remember, I will put a bad song for the album.
Why, J.A., you need to make your wife. Put her in some music class, brother. Put her in some music class, dog. You understand? Just put her in some music class, please.
yeah, the bad man
The
sang
haters
them, yes, the song them okay, but I'm saying, when I said the song them horribly, you know, people are taking it out of context. I'm comparing to Alkaline's previous work. It is horrible compared to his previous music. Him set the bar, you know, people remember. Alkaline set such a high bar when it comes to the quality of the music when put out. And the impact in music have and the longevity in music have. I mean, I
Alright.
said this is not as good as his previous projects.
All right.
Yo, that's capping. That's capping. You especially, you now go come out and tell the truth. You understand? You, if I did Masicka drop something, you would not talk so. You understand? You would not talk so. So don't make it look like say you're this Alkaline fan and all of them little thing that we will listen to Alkaline. Because J.A. radio if you tell us, yo, listen about the thing. You know listen music if you understand. You understand? Kind of feel like say quality song not dip on the album. You understand? You just look on the little controversy and them little thing that way people are call out and all of them. And that's what uno do. Uno not really listen music, you know, because most of the time you're there and you talk, it's all about video. Oh, wait till Alkaline drop good girl video. You're not listening to music. That's a problem.
I'm going to say this right now. We can't compare projects to projects because you have to remember, say, yo, times change. Him drop the album them like 5 years apart. So we can't expect
Yeah, I know.
we can't expect 5 years later it will sound like the previous.
No,
Yeah, man, J.A. radio. Teacher. Because she not understand. If somebody a drop album every 5 years, how it's supposed to be the same time and things change? This is a different Alkaline. This is a different Alkaline right now. We don't keep on a compare something like 10 years ago, you know. 10 years ago was a different time, you know. You understand? Different time. You see it? Some don't know what we really are talking about.
talking about the song.
I'm saying right now. People need to understand. Say, me personally, I have a problem with 2 lines. I have a problem with the album. The album is a bad album. I can tell you that. It's a bad album.
It's a okay
I have a
album.
problem with the shock value with Alkaline did I try to run down. Shock value just to make it think connect and it backfired horribly. It backfired. But it get some bad song because you see the different story. If you notice how Leon Bailey are running with it right now. Every story.
But Jerry, that are your opinion, brother. That are your opinion. You see me? Remember Uno, you know, brother. Remember I crux them, you and the guys that them are run with this line, you know. You understand? Which we see a lot of artists say something in a dancehall. Uno never run with that line there, them line there. Uno not run with it at all. Alkaline. You understand? Because you say the album bad, but you take out one little thing. If you say uncle this, that, rare. That not make no sense, brother. Because I see man say worse than this in the album, we'll never call it out. But I saw it go still. Alkaline have to do, have to say something for you just run with. You see me? Because me can tell you this, you know. This is one of the most talk about album since the last 10 years. Me I tell you that. You understand?
Leon Bailey, every story where Leon Bailey posts, Alkaline play right now. The people are rock with the album. And we can say, yo, it is a creeper. Some of the songs when you hear it at first because your expectations are what you want. You get what I say? But the more you listen to it, you realize that, yo, album I can rock with it now. Come here, listen to the album.
No, J, remember say a video she love, a video she want to watch. She don't want to listen to music.
No, man, I tell you, the little 18-year-old and the minor line them and the insinuation are my biggest problem. But overall, I get some bad songs on it still. I'm glad to
As
say
I said, there are some okay songs on the album.
people bullshit listen to the album.
Gyal
Right?
good, I did.
People
I
listen to the
did.
album.
Gyal
You see it, people? I don't know. I don't know where Alkaline do that girl there. But for JA Radio, I call her out and I say, she don't listen to the album. You know why? You know me know? JA Radio not have to tell me, so she not listen to it. Just know how she talk. Video. Just be a video. She not listening to it. She not listening to the album. You understand? She just listen for just, oh, this, okay, that. No, we not listen music for understand. We just listen one time, boom, that's it.
good is
Bullshit
a good
listen to the
song.
album.
Tapping eyes, no man.
Something don't get album.
Do my thing now.
Not true.
The album is mediocre compared to his previous work, and it's just my personal opinion because me just expect more from Alkaline. That's all. Gyal Good is one of the best song me here, apart from the Badman song them, because that song they're really good too. But to me, the entire band and it have too much songs. Some of the songs them could have left off. Me feel like it just it not really do what it's supposed to do. Me not say this.
People, you see, you can see the hate. Just look on the eye reaction, look on the hands. It's just replaying. It's like when you press a remote and you just press replay and you just see all over. Same thing. I remember say Alkaline is not our artist, you know. You understand? If I did Masicka drop the album, wait till Masicka drop him album. You not hear a bag of thing. Although Masicka, you don't know him gonna do a bag of collaboration. So nobody not truly know like how him can dominate him album by himself. So whatever artist where they pan it, they might just say, oh, yeah, him a Masicka. But look what go on.
Sound is gonna be the same. Times change. But me talk about quality. Even the quality of the song. Some of them horrible. Some of them you barely hear Alkaline voice come through and the rhythm overpower him voice. And me tell you, I don't know if the producer, the production behind it. I'm telling you, in terms of sound quality, all of that. It's you know.
Yeah, man. Stop it. People. Yo, J.A. Yo, brother. Look at him. I don't know, when she in her house and she are clean, just turn on the album, make she go and meds, brother. You understand? It's like, you know when people have vent and you just not have a good reason. It's like, when I tell you just start buffer, like, Jano.
I agree with them point. Hold on, man. I agree with them point. I'm gonna put this out and say this, yo. Alkaline is one of the cheapest artists dancehallers ever. Yo, man, like a mange. Yo, Alkaline mean and love money, dog. Yo, Vendetta can mix all on one.
It's true.
If you notice a song like Boasty, Masicka only work with the best. Masicka only work with the best directors. The Shane Creative, the Ruption, right? He work with the best producers them. You don't know, done well. Everybody else will contribute to Masicka project. He make sure say, yo, him invest.
Yeah.
Brother, what you talking about? What do you mean by invest? Remember, say the man signed to our international label. What you talking about invest? Brother, I them do the video, brother. Not for the video, you say I them do it. What you talking about? You understand? You notice with Uno love talk about quality. So wait, she ain't creative am bridging. I know she ain't creative alone in the world where do video, brother. What you mean by spend money? So wait there. So you're saying True Masicka use them and the Alkaline use cheaper videographer and director? And that you try say, brother? People, what is going now? What you mean by the man cheap? You think that the man not spend money? Bro, some point you want to bring up, brother. Charge a youth on a dangerous dog. No dangerous. Just we just admit the truth, we have to find some way. If you try go in our closet or something, find some reason. Oh, this a producer, this and that. Bro, you don't know the politics. What you talk about? Alkaline had used film producer. What the difference? A producer them. You understand? But you know what I realize? I want to see him one make Masicka career and reach certain place. Because you know keep him in that comfort zone there. You understand? But you're not watching his performance and the crowd reaction. And that I realize. You just as him drop a song. That. Yo, hits. And then him soon drop a new song again. And then now go say it's that again. And then when I say it's. But when him go out there in the world, there is no impact with these it's. No bag of playback value. It's like you not realize what going on, bro. You really not realize what going on, brother. But the fool is last to know.
Like say a boy, take boy if you make the music video. The budget on the music video is up.
Him spend
Alkaline, bro. A friend and company business called like Alkaline run.
Himself, I swear if Alkaline could do it all himself, he would do it himself.
The man himself. So,
Exactly, but
Friend and company Alkaline I use. So where Masicka use? Eh? No see him done well and all that. No friend and company that. J area there, bro. Come on, brother, my youth. Every time you have to call you out for them stupidness, dog. What you mean by friend and company? So wait, if Masicka use but the same people, them no friend and company same way. Brother, every artist have them friend and company who them work with, brother. What you are talking about? I don't understand this.
sometimes you need help. Them always saying this, when you start making money, you invest in hiring people who are smarter than you. That's the only way to maintain being rich or to maintain a successful business. You don't know everything. The moment you have money, you invest in people who know more than you.
So, all right.
So it push you forward.
So it's the
Even
reason
the
why.
music video we dropped the other day.
Yeah, you can tell. Yo, big up to. I will make it again. Dominic. Remember, I will make it too.
The song tough enough.
Still.
The song tough, but it didn't need a better video.
Or the Maniac. Remember what my dog name?
Yo, dog. When you really depend on eating thing. I can't believe say Alkaline I get doing video them and uno say the video no look good. Bro, when you didn't J area though. Keep on doing that though. Keep on doing that though. You understand? Because what I do and what I say, it not gonna reach too far, bro. Cause all me see right here now, and not even you much, but your wife. She just eat for no reason. And I call out something where just nah make no sense. You understand? It nah make no sense, brother.
About director that to still, but you don't know, say, yo, you have some man right now, we have a heat right now. She ain't created them have a heat right now. But because of how Alkaline position himself in the dancehall, him not to mix and mingle. So I'm gonna always be the outcast, but over here so with the friend and company them.
We don't care about that. You can be the outcast, find a good outcast.
Remember say the politics in the dancehall.
And it's not even the producer, you know, or whoever direct the video. Me not really think of them. I feel like Alkaline himself, like as the artist, you dictate how your thing turn out to. And Alkaline needs to do that a little bit better. Like, I think too mediocre, man. Like, that video was just, there was nothing in the video. You're barely moving your lips. You're barely moving. It was dead, bro. Like,
People, me leave one of the comments, you know. Cause J area the wife, I don't know what happened. You understand? I don't know what happened to her. You know? I don't know. I don't know what happened. J area though. I don't know Alkaline to your wife, dog. I know you must sit down there and you wonder what she has saying make no sense.
you know, it no bring up, like, remember, I know the song can good, but the video can push it so much further. And that was
Video can't push nowhere. What you talking about? Video can't is a music. When you go into parties, no, you watch video? You're not watching no video. When since we are use video for say push song, me not understand this. Before YouTube, what did I do? No listen music in a party and all of them something I hear it on radio. When since video push music? How what this man? Jaja.
And alright, for me personally, I'm not talking about a specific video. I'm talking about him career on a whole.
Yes.
Masicka roll out them different. The music video them top tier. The production top tier because he work with good producers.
Yeah.
And you don't know, say, yo, back in the days, people that say the fall off of Alkaline would have been from him now link with Frost them, Yellow Moon them, Jordan them, Chimney Records. You get what I say? Those people tried and tested. Those are really talented producers. And right now, yeah, Javi Bad, you get what I say? Sponge. Yeah, well, Javi
Definitely.
still, but
Alright, so since the Alkaline and them start work, like what them really are do? Like what happened? Don't Alkaline find songs same way? At that Alkaline alone, me soon call out producer when him start work with, you know. We don't do that with another rest of dancehall artists. Alkaline alone not use because you don't want to find reason for say him not do this and not do that. You understand? And remember say Alkaline and a fool artist, dog. You see it? And a fool artist. So when I go find a bag of excuse for just find something for say, yo, this not right, this not right. it nah make no sense, brother. You see me?
Yo, bro, you need to get the top tier right now.
Yeah.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
listen, I'm like the outcast thing, but there are still people out there where them name probably in the mainstream, but them have quality work or can produce quality work. Find them. They might expensive, spend the money and invest in your craft. It helps. You can't hoard all of the money, okay, and then you're not investing it back into the music because I tell you, I'm in a business when none of one said the album could have been way better in terms of quality, in terms of songs, the production, everything. It could have been better. If him did invest in it, it would have been better.
I'm gonna say this, people. The album, Connect. The album, don't bother watch this the first week sales and him something. Alkaline is a youth. Come here, study the dog music, you know. I'm a bit listen to Alkaline music. I'm gonna tell you, say, him one of the artists where theme song them have the longest shelf life.
Yeah,
even the Boasty from Masicka.
That's true.
Yo, the song hot and everything, but who knows how long it will last? It might feel stale out the next 2 weeks. You get what I say? But Alkaline have a thing where him song them you can pull all 5 years from now, you draw back for them and them connect.
Facts.
Because if you notice the first song I fight, the different story. Him man show you, despite all of the fight and everything when him go through, him reach and him mother can proud and all type of things. Like the message in it, if you really fall back and listen to the man music them, him right.
We're not talking about that. We know that that's what I'm talking about.
Shelf life. You I tell yourself right now say the album not connect, but I tell you the album connected with the people.
No,
right
you're
now.
not getting what I'm saying. I don't care about the album connecting or not. I am saying in terms of quality compared to what Alkaline is used to putting out. It don't
And that may
appear.
explain to you about
Yo, dog, may I tell you, brother. Sometimes people, we just want to highlight them. For no kind of say, yo, I don't know, J.A. Radio wife, I don't know, brother. I don't know how she sit down in front of the camera and talk them thing. I don't know how she do it. You understand? I don't know how she do it. I just leave the comment section too, because I don't know. Like, no, brother, something wrong. May I tell you, all J.A. Radio tell her, say, yo, she just have find some reason. Quality. You don't even listen to the album. We can know you don't listen to it. Because all you talk about a video, pay money for the quality video, all of them look at something there. Just go listen to the album and relax and sit down now. Because you see when you don't rate an artist, you can't sit down and listen in music to understand it. And that's the problem, you know. Because your mind is just hate and moving goalposts and all of them. You will say you don't care if it album this or that. But the quality and this and that and one bag of thing. You understand? But we not go see what go on.
you say it actually connect right now, despite whatever limitations you say you mentioned right now, whatever quality or no mix good or none of that shit. May I tell you, say Alkaline have several songs off of it where a lot of people can say, these are my favorite. A man can say Butterfield favorite, a man can say, as a matter of fact. I be about something for this. The man have the gunner blast for the thugs them. The man have sit them
Watch her, she want something. Be a laugh, she a laugh, you know. She just want, look what she got to people.
for the girl them. So I'm trying to tell us right now the album, it had to do
Yeah,
major
it's
damage.
creeping up.
It
But
had
either
to
way, I'm just saying the production needs to be better. I feel like you need to work on that.
Yeah, if we go international, because that's supposed to be the
That's
next
what I'm
move.
talking about. I'm just saying, like, just
Yeah, man, stop. J.A. Raider, get her some water there. I crash out in the people. I crash. Yo, me say J.A. Raider that talk about Masicka album. A different reaction, me I tell you people. She just no want hear nothing good about Alkaline and him music. Nothing. She does a crash out. Every time she can't even finish her statement. But listen what I go on.
raise the bar a bit. Like,
And the man have a song named Raise the Bar, and he did raise the bar. That me I tell you.
You've been in
That
the
me I tell
business way too long to be putting out this shit.
Now, one thing I realize about dancehall, bro, one of them not that sweat because I think can spark.
That's true.
You see me? And that's why you get forest fire sometimes. Sometimes you drop a little cigarette and by the time you look 2 days time, the whole place about
Blaze
now.
up. That's
And
true.
That me say happen with the album
That's
right
true.
now.
Listen, all I have to say is one thing that's undeniable. In music, have shelf life. And I'm one of the only artists I've seen out of business where really put out music where years from now you can listen to it. Me not take that from Alkaline, none at all. Me not really.
Then what's the problem? You rather yourself. Because Masicka put out album, and if you look on that list right now, 438 and look on that list right now, most of the songs that are on the album they're not playing in 2026. Me go parties much time and I don't hear these songs. Una know say Masicka not really have longevity songs. Una know that. That's why every day when I get up and talk about it's and then when that it just gone, nothing is there. You understand? So look what we're going down in the near future.
Nobody embodied that as much as him. Maybe Masicka kind of come close, but Masicka not reach the side either. You understand? So we can't take that from him. I am just saying I was a bit disappointed in the entire packaging of the album, the rollout of the album, the quality of some of the songs, them horrible to me. That's just
And let
my
me say this,
opinion.
people. Original listen to the album, okay?
I listened to the
People, you notice, as someone know say, Alkaline album get the most review and the most heard. You know why? Because me know GOK and that song there, where Spice and Masicka sing. Me no know, no go listen to it. When you wow, if you no listen that song there, you that think say Spice a use something for Masicka. Go listen to the song and hear Spice a sing. You understand? If you show you them now history Alkaline, them a listen keenly, but when other people drop them album, them not listen keenly.
Today, you're going to while you're clean, you're going to put on the album and you're going to listen to the album. I don't bother watching noise out there.
Me listen to it one time and I never want to hear it again.
You can't do that.
You see it? You see what we're talking about? She not listen to music, a video she watch.
Because when you listen to the album and figure
some
out...
of the songs them good, but that don't mean we want to hear all of them. Some of them just
have
never
an
sound
opinion
good.
on something if you're not listening to all. That's what I'm trying to
We
tell
hear
you.
all of them. Some songs you hear and you just know, say, okay, you know what, that song, yeah.
I'm not telling you,
Yo, J.A. though. I don't know. She has some joke thing she dep on dog. Some joke thing. She not listen to the album and that's why she there talk about this, brother. Me I tell you.
Work, and I say work. I'm trying to tell you the difference. You can't think say it's a 438 or some of them type of album the way other people put out. Or whatever.
Not comparing it to that.
No, I'm telling you Alkaline thing working a different type of mystique. It is not a 438. It is not an instant something where as the job everybody say, boom bad. Yo, ray bad. I'm telling you by me listening to the song them over and over, them kind of grow up on you.
Bro, Masicka album different, brother. This is Alkaline alone. You understand? Alkaline alone. Masicka albums is him and other people in the industry, brother. And some overseas people. That's why you not really get the full effect for know if Masicka can dominate an album, bro. Make Masicka do an album by himself and then you can see if he have that true potential there. Because all we see is collaboration. We not see nothing with him dominate himself. You notice the girl album, we not hear nothing about it. You know why? Because of him alone. Because of him alone. Making Japan next album, we know say next album a bag of collaboration are going to on it. You understand? We know that.
You get what I say? And then you kind of see the structure. You can't even listen to it in a random order because the way I'm laid out, you kind of see the progression of the album. So that's what you have to actually listen to and listen to multiple times. And based on the numbers on Alkaline, people will go back, go listen.
So it's a creeping album.
It is a creeping album. That's what it is. So you know a lot of people talk
Okay,
about
I listened to it again. But anyway, compared to in previous work, it's still not up there.
A lot of people talking about first week sales.
I'm talking about first week sales.
No,
what I say? Too much.
People talk about first week sales. I'm damn sure, but I make sure that when phone artist drop, it beat 1,000 copies. You know,
we waiting because believe me, no people. If Masicka drop an album, a next album, and it don't perform, we talking about it. And if Vybz Kartel drop an album and it don't perform, we are talking about it too.
So people,
I hope when you talk about it, because anyone not talk about it, you know. Media facts they have to beat, you know. You understand? Make sure you say you come talk about it. And that me I tell you, yeah. You see, but people big up on yourself. I want media fact.